So hello friends, today we are going to study the new expression. This expression for pressure volume type of work done. So last time we have studied about the sign conventions of work and the energy. So when W is positive and when W is negative. So we have seen about this. W is positive, W is negative. W is the work done. So when it is positive, when work off. बघा आठवतंय का? So work done on the system and by the system. Work done on the system and by the system. या terms तुम्हाला आठवत असतील तर so when work is done on the system. When work is done on the system. So during compression of gas. So during compression of gas, this W is positive, and during expansion of gas. So this is work done. Expansion, that is, this is the work done which is negative. This is the work done on the surrounding by the system. So these are the terms, on the system and by the system. That means on the surrounding. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी काय आहे? During expansion of gas, this is the work done. It is negative, but this is the work done on the surrounding by the system. By the system, on the surrounding. ह्या terms तुमच्या लक्षात पाहिजे. So now we are going to study the expression for PV type of work done. That means the pressure volume type of work done. आपल्याला प्रश्न काय येतो? सो derive an expression for pressure volume type of work done when gas is expand against the external constant external atmospheric pressure or constant external pressure. असा आपल्याला एक्सप्रेशन derive करा for 2 marks असा क्वेश्चन असतो. आपल्याला पुन्हा नेहमीप्रमाणे कन्सिडर करायचं आहे. वी हॅव टू कन्सिडर अगेन अ cylinder, gas cylinder, in which certain amount of gas is enclosed. So consider this is the cylinder where the gas is enclosed. Here this gas is fitted with wetless and frictionless piston. So there is a piston. हा piston त्यांनी काय केलेला आहे? फिक्स केलेला आहे. So this is wetless, rigid, movable piston. Then if V1 is the initial volume of this gas, so initially the level of the piston is like this. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी डबल लेवल दाखवलेली आहे. So suppose this is the white marking. This is the initial level of gas in that cylinder. So this is the piston. So this is the piston. This piston is having area of cross section A. So consider the volume is V. ठीक है? Volume of gas initially. So this gas is enclosed in a cylinder which is fitted with wetless and frictionless, rigid, movable piston. हे आपलं नेहमीचं पहिलं कन्सिडरेशन. आता हळूहळू आपण स्टार्ट करूया. So let A is the area of cross section of this piston. So consider, आता या ठिकाणी आपल्याला काय कन्सिडर करायचं आहे? Consider the P is the pressure of the gas which is acting in upward direction, and on this piston the external pressure is acting in opposite direction. So this driving force, this is the opposing force. These are two forces, they are having the opposite direction. Again here we are considering the expansion of gas. बघा आपल्याला इथे काय कन्सिडर करायचं? We have to consider expansion of gas. That means when this amount of gas it expands, the piston will move in upward direction. So this is the final level. This is the final position of the piston. So suppose this is the final position. Yellow marking जे केलेला आहे. This is the final position of the piston. So this is the initial position of the piston where the volume of gas is V1. When this piston is moved in upward direction, the volume of gas becomes V2. This is the final volume after expansion of gas. So during this expansion, काय होता है? So this piston it moves in or through a distance d. हा piston काय झालेला आहे? While expansion of gas, this piston it moves from V1 to V2 volume of a gas. Its position changes and the distance covered by this pistons is d. So this is the again consideration. We have to consider this. ठीक आहे? आता नेक्स्ट काय करायचं आपल्याला बघा. So on expansion, हे expansion झालेलं आहे. On expansion, this gas it exert the pressure on this piston. या गॅसने काय केलेलं आहे? It exert the pressure on this piston. So this force, the pressure, that means this is nothing but the force. So this force जो आहे, this force is having the same magnitude. म्हणजे त्याची क्वांटिटी किती आहे? सेम as that of the external pressure, external atmospheric pressure, but its sign is opposite. That means its a direction. This is again the force, this is again the force. Here the pressure, that means this is the force of this gas which is acting, which is exerting on this piston in upward direction. So its magnitude is the same to that of the external pressure, but its sign is opposite. So its sign is negative. So again we have to consider this. So this pressure, जे pressure आहे हे आपण कसं calculate करतो बघा. So again we have to calculate this pressure. So what is actually this pressure? Pressure we represent as P. So this pressure, any gas, it is acting the pressure. That means it is the force. So it is the force per unit area. So this pressure is nothing but the force acting by this gas on its area, per unit its area. So this P is equal to F divided by A. But this pressure here, this pressure is having the same magnitude. हे सांगितलं तुम्हाला, हे जे प्रेशर आहे हॅविंग द सेम मॅग्निट्यूड, फक्त याचं साइन कसं आहे? इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन आहे. मग आता आपण काय कॅल्क्युलेट करूया? when P is equal to F divided by A, then this F, that is the force F is equal to pressure into area, P into A. Our next we are going to derive the expression for PV work. So this is the first step. Pressure P is equal to force divided by area A. Then this force is equal to pressure into A. So this is our next step. पुढची step काय करायची? This pressure here, this is the pressure. This pressure again, it is equal to the external pressure but having the negative sign. So this P we can represent as this P external but having the negative sign. So this P is the external pressure. या ठिकाणी काय असणार आहे? P external means this is the external pressure which is acting on this piston. It is equal to this P. ठीक है? But what is the difference between P external and P? They are having opposite signs. So this P is equal to negative P external. Therefore, here we can write this force F is equal to minus P external into A. Minus P external into A. So this is our next step. Then again we know that next आता step आपण बघूया. Again we know that the work done. बघा आपल्याला हे इथपर्यंत आपण एक्सप्रेशन मांडलं. आता आपल्याला पुढची स्टेप काय सांगायची आहे? So again we know that during expansion of a gas there is PV type of work is done and that work W is equal to हे जे वर्क आहे आपण ह्याच्या आधी जे डिराइव केलेलं आहे बघा. सो दिस वर्क W इज इक्वल टू फोर्स. आठवतंय का बघा. W इज इक्वल टू फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सो वी कॅन राइट हियर W इज इक्वल टू F इनटू D. ठीक है, F इनटू D. सो सपोज दिस इज आवर एक्सप्रेशन फर्स्ट. देन नेक्स्ट बघा इकडे हे आधीचं आपलं एक्सप्रेशन वेअर F इज इक्वल टू मायनस P एक्सटर्नल इंटू A. सो बाय सबस्टिट्यूटिंग दिस व्हॅल्यू ऑफ F इन इक्वेशन 1 वी गेट काय करायचं आहे. वी हॅव टू सबस्टिट्यूट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ F इन दिस इक्वेशन. वी गेट हियर W इज इक्वल टू F च्या जागी आपण काय लिहिणार मायनस P एक्सटर्नल इंटू काय लिहिणार A आणि इंटू काय झालं हे D. So this is our next step. So suppose this is the second step. Then next बघा here piston while changing volume from V1 to V2 it travel the distance D. And this piston is having the area of cross section A. So this product A into D बघा हा जो प्रोडक्ट आहे एरिया आणि हे डिस्टन्स A into D is nothing but the change in volume. काय लक्षात येते का. डिस्टन्स D हे ट्रॅव्हल केलेलं आहे कधी बाय चेंजिंग द व्हॉल्यूम फ्रॉम V1 to V2 having the area A. So this A into D this product is nothing but the delta V. बघा म्हणजेच काय this product A into D AD is equal to काय आहे. this is the change in volume म्हणजेच काय V2 minus V1. V2 म्हणजे काय फायनल व्हॉल्यूम V1 इनिशियल व्हॉल्यूम where this difference we can calculate. It is called as or we denote this as delta V. Therefore this A into D is equal to V2 minus V1 that is equal to delta V. Then substituting this value of this A into D in this equation we get W is equal to minus P external into delta V. So this is our required equation. So we get here work done during expansion is equal to work done during expansion is equal to minus P external into किंवा आपण ब्रॅकेट मध्ये टाकू V2 minus V1 and that is delta V. So these are two equations. They are the important equations for problem solving purpose. So these are two equations. They are very important. So that means here again if we consider here if we consider this is the work done during expansion. एक्सपान्शनच्या वेळेस आपण हे वर्क डन कन्सिडर केलं तर काय होईल ड्यूरिंग एक्सपान्शन द इनिशियल व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ अ गॅस is less than the final volume of gas. Therefore V2 minus V1 is positive. So positive term when it is multiplied with negative term the work done becomes negative. So during expansion this W is negative. म्हणून आपण ह्याच्या आधी असं बोललो होतो साइन कन्व्हेन्शन मध्ये इफ द वर्क ऑफ कॉम्प्रेशन आपण कन्सिडर करूया व्हेन ड्यूरिंग कॉम्प्रेशन कॉम्प्रेशन असेल याचा अर्थ काय आहे ड्यूरिंग कॉम्प्रेशन द इनिशियल लेवल जी असते ती काय होते गेट कॉम्प्रेस दॅट मीन्स द इनिशियल व्हॉल्यूम जो असतो हा V1 जो असतो इट इज ग्रेटर दॅन V2. सो या ठिकाणी V2 minus V1 this term becomes negative during compression. Compression that is when volume decreases. Initial volume greater, final volume lesser. So V2 is less than V1. So this difference becomes negative. So negative quantity into negative pressure it gets this W is positive. So during compression, the work done is always positive. During expansion, the work done is always negative. So this is our new derivation.